2024 has been a bumper year for Skin Functional. So much has happened and we couldn't be more proud of the innovations and exciting products we launched this year, all just for you. I have a few of my colleagues who are going to tell you which of their products are their favorites and why. I'll go first. My absolute favorite is Matrixyl plus EGF plus Peptides. That's our Collagen Plus. I'm all about anti-aging.
My favorite Skin Functional product is the Cleansing Balm because it is gentle on my skin.
My favorite 2024 launch is the 0.2 Retinaldehyde Serum, as it's helped clear up my skin.
My favorite is the Melanoclear because it helped me with my dark mark management.
My favorite is the Gel Lotion Sunscreen because it protects me from the sun.
Here is a recap on our 2024 product launches. Gel Lotion Sunscreen SPF50. Gentle Micellar Cleansing Water. 5% Tranexamic acid plus 1% Hexylresorcinol. Matrixyl plus EGF plus Peptides. UV Derm. BHA Body Lotion. BHA Body Wash. BHA Non-abrasive Body Scrub. (0.2% Retinaldehyde. 4% liposome ceramide NP. Peptides plus probiotic lysate. Sunscreen stick SPF50. Cleansing balm. Skin barrier balm. Last but not least, our Skin Functional Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.